Have you ever had a metallic taste in your mouth when coughing? Then you were actually tasting blood. This can happen due to multiple reasons, including having a respiratory infection, GERD, pregnancy, asthma, or taking a medication. In most instances, tasting blood when you cough will not have any serious underlying consequences. Not all conditions which result in tasting blood when coughing require immediate medical attention. But if you are experiencing fever, weight loss, trouble breathing, wheezing, or coughing up blood, then contact your doctor immediately.